Today, 2018 RIPP Supercharged JL on the dyno. Stay tuned. It's just so good. All right, hey guys. So I just made a pass in a 2018 Jeep JL with a 6-speed, and it is phenomenal. But before I get into the power, I really want to get into the kit. As you know, for the last year or so, we've been working on the Jeep JL, and we've been kind of quiet about it. And so with development, it always takes a little bit of time to be able to move forward and make your advances and make sure that it's okay. We have 2 JLs that have been running around with Supercharged locally, which is in the New York area, so we needed to get past, you know, your spring and your rain and your hot and your summer and then your fall and your cold, and now that it's winter here, you know, we're pretty much done, so we're getting very close to releasing the product. This vehicle has been a big part and a very integral part of the development. It is a 6-speed, so therefore, you know, as you're doing these vehicles in tandem, you're seeing, you know, what one does versus the other. As you know, the JL has changed for, you know, up from the JK model, and they did make some power changes. They've raised the compression, they've changed the intake manifold and made it larger, they've put an EGR system in the vehicle. All these things require attention. More importantly, they put that 8-speed in the automatics, which is phenomenal, but the 6-speeds are pretty much the same, and they carry over year to year. It's a great 6-speed, and it does its job. This vehicle is a Rubicon, as you can see from the hood, and it is being driven, as you can see from the paint. We do use it on a daily basis. Otherwise, stock, this vehicle has all the cats and all the exhausts and everything that you would get right from the dealer, you know, and you might have parked right in your driveway. So the Supercharger kit, as you know, we are very complete when it comes as a package. It comes with everything you need. It's, you know, comes with a supercharger, air filter, and everything that goes with the mounting of the supercharger itself. All the piping, the intercooler, the blow-off valve, all the belts, and all the little sensors and tuning that you would need to install it. So it is a complete kit. When you're purchasing a RIPP Supercharger kit, you're getting the entire package. There's nothing that you have to purchase outside. Now the JL only changes in horsepower just a slight bit from the JK, and what we've proved with this vehicle is about 225 horsepower in a video that you've seen in the past. So I'm sure you're very curious to see what it's making with the RIPP Supercharger, so why don't you follow me over here. Let's see here, just display. Ha, number's perfect. It's very even, by the way, I like that. So 370.5 horsepower is up from the 220 that it was making in the past. Here you could see the line, you know, where we're making it stock. So red represents the OEM horsepower as the vehicle comes in off the street, and blue represents the horsepower thereafter. You could see our torque is quite a bit up as well. We're at 320 pounds of torque, and immediately have you know, more torque than it had from the factory right out of the box. So these kits are basically ready to roll. We've weeded out all the changes. You cannot carry a JK kit over to a JL. They are fundamentally different. They did make different differences in the blocks. They cast the blocks a little differently in the past, but we've, you know, surmounted those, and that really isn't a problem. If you have any questions about the JL, or if you have any questions about you know, the kit itself, please comment down below, or reach out to us at www.rippmods.com, or Facebook, or Instagram, or anywhere else you see that RIPP's around. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for stopping by, guys.